sweethearts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Peekaboo box braids, the purple edition. You guys, I enjoyed doing this hairstyle. It only took me 5 hours, just straight up braid and go. You guys, if you really want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. I really hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle. And the subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, my hair is washed, conditioned, and stretched. I greased it and then just put twist in it. Oh my God, it makes my hair so easier to work with and brush through and comb through. I'll show you guys in another video another day. Okay, this hair that I got both of these hairs from my local beauty supply store. You can actually find these hair on Amazon as well. All of my products will be listed in the description box below. Okay, sweethearts, you do not have to do this part, but I choose to do this part. I like to have a clean edge all around my head. Okay, sweethearts, one thing I am going to be doing is oiling and greasing my scalp as I'm going. So please oil and grease it as you're going, so you won't have to do it at the very end. Okay, so for all my non-braiders, who's struggling, I'm gonna do this really a close-up for you so you can see how my fingers are, where my arms are, where my hands are. That's why I like giving you guys all angles of my hair when I braid it. The back, the sides, the top, and the front. Just so you can, so it'll be easier for you. I know braiding can be a challenge. Believe me, I know. So, you know what? Take your time. We can work through this together. Okay, sweethearts, I do want to keep showing you how to do this, especially for my braiders who are struggling or having a hard time. I do want to show you finger by finger, like I said, where my hands and my arms are. I want to show you so you can be so this can be comfortable for you, because braiding your hair, DIYing your own hair, is a challenge. But I just wanted to let you know and show you that it is a challenge, but it can be easily done. Okay, so follow me, sweethearts. On my natural hair, I am adding magic fingers just so it'll blend with the hair. I thought 4 rows of the purple would be perfect for the peekaboo. I don't think we needed to go any higher or lower, because once you separate, the black hair from it, it'll be peekabooing out. Okay, so don't go up any higher than that. So when oiling my scalp, I am putting, the grease on it first. Then I'm putting the magic fingers on it as well. And then I'm going to braid it into it. And that's going to lock in some moisture for you, my friends. Once you get the back done or situated, the front is so easier and it's quicker to do. So the back is the only major problem that you have to worry about. But once you got that part, and once you on your last braid, hey, it's on and popping. I believe me, you'll probably have 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes left in the front of your hair, if you're being very precise with your parts. See, look at that, y'all. Done. Back. Hey, I ain't gonna say I'm a precise parter, but you know what? Those do look nice and neat, if I may add. Especially when you're doing it by yourself. So, like I said, if you do have a mirror, make sure you're looking in that mirror if you want to get precise, neat parts in the back of your head. You know what I'm saying? So you can see that from behind, because if you don't have a mirror, it's going to be hard for you to, make those straight. So I suggest a mirror would be nice. If I didn't tell you before, I am putting magic fingers on the ends of my real hair, so it can lay flat into the braid, so it'll match well with it. Sweethearts, when I'm doing the front of my hair, I'm throughout the month or however long I have these in, I am going to be doing my edges. So why not put edge control on it already, so you'll already have that slick look. Just a suggestion. Woohoo! Guess what, baby? We got that last braid. I'm telling you, feels so good because you have accomplished all these braids in your hair and you're at the very last one. All right, you guys, don't forget, your hair's already greased throughout it, so you don't have to worry about greasing your hair anymore. The only thing we need to do now is we need to dip it and then we need to mousse it. Dip it and mousse it. You guys go ahead and look in the mirror right now and be like, you did that. You see how neat and clean that looks? Crispy is the word for that. I hope you guys are getting the same results as I am. When dipping your hair, please be cautious. Either have somebody else help you dip your hair, or when you're dipping your hair, you make sure you have some towels, some gloves, or do whatever you have to do so you won't hurt yourself. I love this mousse. Remember, you can get this from Amazon. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. But this is my favorite mousse. I really like it. If there's something else different out there that I should try, can you guys please let me know in the comments below. Oh my God, and look, we are finished. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks neat. It looks gorgeous. Shine bright like a diamond. That looks gorgeous, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, please let me know. Comments, let me know. Talk to me, okay? Don't forget to like, definitely comment. Please share and please subscribe if you're out there. Thanks for watching. I love you, even if I don't know you, sweethearts. Talk to you next time.